Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your love energy, for your career situation, and your daily energy, Leos. These are for your daily energies, Leos. And we'll be picking one card for your career situation and one card for your relationship. And thank you guys for your support and your positive comments. We are reaching 10k subscribers and I'm really grateful for your support, guys. Thanks again, guys, for helping me come along in a great way. So this is your oracle guidance, so we will open that card at last, Leos. So for your daily energy, guys, it's 6 of cups, 5 of swords in reverse, and Queen of Swords in reverse. So with these cards, Leos, in your situation today, maybe for some of you, you are sharing your memories. Maybe for some of you, it may be happy memories with your friends or family, what you did as a child. Or maybe for some of you, you are overcoming your traumatic past. Whatever traumas you would have faced in your life, you are overcoming all that. That is what I see. And also for some of you in your situation today, guys, maybe some people in your family or in your work situation, they are clearly working against you, and there may be people who are talking to you straight face to face, fighting with you, arguing about something, causing immense stress to you in your situation, guys. Or it may be people who are working behind you, they may be having bad intentions, or some of them may be cursing you, guys. So you need to be really careful with such people, guys, so who have that hatred towards you. So you need to stay away from such people. They may pose as your friend, or they may even be your family member, but this hatred is what is stressing you. Even though you are loving and caring, they may have this bad intention towards you, guys. So that is what these cards are about. And also they are hiding their true intentions, guys. All this hatred and these bad intentions, they are hiding behind a mask as a family member or as a friend or someone you work with, your colleague. So you will not be able to identify them outright, but you need to be really careful, guys, today. That is what I see, Leos. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, Leos. It's Strength in reverse. So in your career situation, guys, there may be certain stressful situations that may be coming up. You may feel weak because of some choices, some bad choices that you made in your career, and the results will not be what you expected. So some kind of troubles you may see, guys. And also maybe for some of you, people who work with you or people who are working under you, your employees, so they may not be putting in the same effort like you. So you may feel that the results, whatever you get, it may not be up to expectation. So that is what I see here, guys, with this card. Let us see what is the card for your relationship, Leos. It's King of Pentacles. So maybe in your career situation, things are not good. So I see here that someone is having that rivalry or competition, guys, towards you. It may be a competing business, some other business, or people whom you work with, your colleagues, they are trying to compete with you. in your situation, guys. And in your relationship, we are having King of Pentacles. So with this card, I feel that in your relationship things are going well, guys. This person sees you as a very talented, skilled person. You are able to handle your situation well, and they love you for what you are, your talent, skills, and the way you are in this connection. Loving, caring, understanding. You have that mutual respect and love. Compatibility is there, great compatibility is there between you both, guys. So things are going well in your relationship, Leos. Let us see what is the card for your oracle guidance. So this is a Rumi card, guys. This is based on Saint Rumi's poetry. So this cards are based on his poetry, which holds a great which is immersed in the essence of love, guys. His poetry, such beautiful poems. So let us see what is the card. These cards are based on those poetry. These should be read straight, guys. The impossible made possible. So that is what is the card for your Leos. This card comes with a special guidance, Leo. So something unbelievable is just waiting to manifest. So we are just limiting ourselves because of the lack of imagination. So nothing is impossible for the divine. So whatever universe is planning to unfold in our life, something unexpected, it may be coming towards us, guys. That is what this card is about. It may relate to your career situation or your personal life. So we just need to give up that doubt we have in our situation, guys. So we may be thinking how things will come about in such a way. So it is not at all possible because of the way we imagine things. But nothing is impossible, guys, when it is destined in our life. So whatever we are destined to achieve, we will achieve all that. So that fantastic dream of yours, whatever you have, something you feel will never take place, so all that is waiting to unfold in your life, guys. So you just have to have that trust and faith in your situation today. So that is what this card is about. And that is the reading for you all today, Leos. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.